Hey everyone, we've got some exciting news for all of you who are using our free pen testing toolkit. 2 awesome new features make keeping an eye on your targets a breeze. Schedule your favorite scans to run automatically every week or every month, and get email notifications for new findings compared to your previous scan. Schedule scans with email notifications make it easier for you to know when new vulnerabilities hit your web app, when your servers have new open ports, and when new subdomains get publicly exposed. Here's how to set it up in your free account on Pentest-Tools.com. Option 1. You head over to New Scan, select a tool, add your target. You may also configure the parameters, and when you reach the notification section, choose Custom. Make sure to enable the diffing option. Under notification actions, don't forget to enable your email if you haven't done that already, then just click on Schedule Scan. Here you can choose your frequency, weekly or monthly. And just like that, you set up recurring scans with a diffing baseline. This is what an email alert looks like when our free tools detect something new during monitoring. Keep in mind that scan diffing is only available for our port scanner, subdomain finder, and all of our vulnerability scanners. You can always check on your schedule scans or create new ones in our schedule scans section. Option 2 is a lot simpler. You just head on to Assets, select your asset, and just click on Setup Monitoring. You can choose your trigger from the 4 options available: web vulnerabilities, network vulnerabilities, ports and services, and subdomains. It's important to note that the monitoring flow is only available for our network and website vulnerability scanners, port scanner, and subdomain finder. I'll select the web vulnerabilities. On this next screen, you can choose your scan frequency to weekly or monthly. If you want daily, quarterly, or yearly scans, these are only available in the paid version. If you need to work in a team or want your colleagues to receive the same alerts as you, this is also the place to add additional emails. If you're not interested in that, you can just hit on Start Monitoring. That's it. You're good to go. One more thing. This is the first version of our monitoring feature, and it's available in our free plan, as you can see right here. So head over to Pentest-Tools.com, create your first monitoring flow, and hit us up with your feedback. We're always looking to improve. That's it for today's video, and see you in the next one.